Soon after language develops, humans learned to calculate. They invented the abacus. It wasn't an accident. The abacus was invented in Europe. The abacus was on the base of 10, like most counting systems in history. In other words, one stick is for unity, another for 10, and so on.
In Egyptian system, each number is a symbol. The Egyptians wrote from right to left, thus units are written before 10. Romans adapted their system of numbers on Egyptian system. Also, their system used to be used more than 1,000 years after.
The Babylonians used a numerical system with 60 as its base. This base crossed the centuries. We find it in the hour system or in the notation of Angel's degrees. Each number to 59 had a different sign. It was unwieldy. The Babylonians took one crucial step towards a more effective numeral system. They introduced the place value concept, by which the same digit has a different value according to its place in the sequence. With the base of 60, it was really hard. In other systems, the numbers corresponded to bigger numbers. The Maya had a numerical system on a base of 20 like Babylonians. They didn't have separated digits up to their base figure. It was also a hard system.
It was the first alphabet-related system of numerals. They used Greek letters in their mathematics like acrophonic Attic numerals, operating much like Roman numerals.
The acrophonic system was replaced by a new alphabetic system, sometimes called the unique numeral system from the 4th century BC.
It's necessary for each number to have its own symbol because in the Babylonian and Mayan systems, the zero symbol is partly effective. The digits now used internationally have been achieved first by the Indians. The Indians use a dot as the zero in our notation. The Arabs make the same. About 1000 BC, the Indians' digits reached Europe, becoming known as Arabic numerals. The dot became a zero, but it took a long time before the Arabic numerals replaced the system inherited in Europe. The merchants used the idea of zero in the marketplace long before its adoption in written systems. They used the abacus, a counting machine. Originally, people have to place pebbles and furrows drawn on the ground. Later, and nowadays, the abacus consists of a frame in which pebbles are kept in clear rows by being threaded. The row is represented by no pebbles.
Roman numeral system was the first example of an international method of communication. For more than a millennium, the numeral most commonly used in Europe are those involved in Rome.
Our century has introduced another international language, the binary language of computers. It's a system with a base of 2. Therefore, the binary system only has 0 and 1.